Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to make this really quick today because we already broke my price target of 32. And the next level that we're actually looking for is another break of 36. Once 36 gets broken, or 36.97, or roughly 37, it's basically just I don't want to say a moon jump, but the next resistance that we can see is not until 0.00059, or roughly 60. After that actually gets broken, the next resistance point is not going to be till previous all-time highs of 0.009. After that gets broken, I think that roughly, if we are looking for a really big like a really big move to the high side, the only thing that I can do to actually somehow, give us some sort a, or you know what, I'll use a Uniswap, because I think that one has a bigger I think that one actually has a bigger timeline instead of Coinbase's chart. So let me see, we'll go to the month. So again, I am using Coinbase's chart, but I think, if we actually do break, I'll remove all this, right? Because I don't need any of this on if I'm using Coinbase's chart. This is the actual resistance, or that the day one chart of what is it called? The day one chart of Shiba Inu. If we do break all-time highs, right? So if we do break all-time highs of 0.0003839, whatever, the next stop for Shiba is going to be, let me make this a little bit more accurate, because I don't want it to be, I want to be as accurate as possible. So, let me see. So where is it? Right there, sure. If you actually end up breaking that 0.00039, the next level of resistance is going to be double that price at 63. Then the next level of resistance, it's going to be 0.001. So 3 zeros and a 1. But that's going to be a little bit further off. But again, it is breaking a lot of these resistance pretty quickly. So keep in mind, if it does break that 36 level, I think it's going to go straight to 59. And looking at how it's running right now, it does seem like that can be possible sometime today or tomorrow with how much volume is coming in. But again, if it does break that 36 tier right here, which is the last major resistance, 36.37, I think, I don't want to say it's going to be a straight shot, but we really don't have any resistance until 0.00059 or 60, and I think that's going to be the next major move to the upside. So we'll see what happens. Bye bye.